this work actually is long-term research, artistic research towards non-human human relations. They track these big wolf populations, wolf packs, based on satellite tracking in order to know where the packs are, how they influence the nature, how they are forming their habitat, and I have been rebuilding this wooden structure here based on the wolf satellite follow-up track. Then I was promising that I would not expose the exact locations because of the poaching possibility, so this illegal hunting can be danger for the animals. The relation between us humans and the wolves compelled me to build this work. We have a really complex relation. It's either hate or love relation almost up in north and here, that people either fear and want to get rid of the wolf populations or get them diminishing, or they have some kind of almost anthropomorphic love relation to animal. And then I was also compelled about the technosphere merging to biosphere. So we use satellite tracking. The wolf exists also on satellite range nowadays.